Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Brein, Yaad, representing People's Camp. Today, we are going to talk about conjunctions, Jamaican Patois. A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, and or sentences to make meaning. And we shall not waste time. We shall go straight to the table of examples. As usual, on my left, we have the English version. In the middle, Jamaican equivalent. And on your right, example in Patois and translated in English. Yes, in English, we have article R. Article R. And in Jamaican, we say one to mean article R. For example, me done get one mango. Me done get one mango. Meaning, I have already gotten a mango. Example 2. An. Article an in English. In Jamaican, we say one. Just one again. For example, me need one orange, Me need one orange, I need an orange, We got the article there. Article there. And in Jamaican, there is D or just there. For example, somebody is talking. The rave did sell off. Mad. The rave did sell off. Mad. The party was spectacular. Hot. And then, second example, the bashment turn up. The bashment turn up. The party is turned up or the party is on fire. That is article day. Again, another example, we have and. A-N-D, and. And in American, we don't say and, we simply say a or an. So, example, me afimi kombolo ron. Me afimi kombolo ron. Me and my crew are around. Another example, un stand up and whoop. Unu stand up and whoop. Meaning, you stand up and go up. And lastly, under and, girl wine and god. Girl wine and god. Girl shake and go down. Or girl dance and go down. Wine. Well, and we have it used in speeches. Another conjunction is it as used in speeches. For example, it sound like a trainer. It sound like a trainer. It sounds like it is true, It sounds like it's true, It sounds like a trainer. So, that is it used in speeches. And then we have if. If we say F or effing. Somebody says, page me if you need me. Page me if you need me. Meaning, call me if you need me. Page. Page me if you need me. Page me if you need me. Meaning, call me if you need me. And then we have conjunction just. Just. In Jamaican, we say jos. Jos. Another word to mean just is this. This. For example, somebody says, just galang with it, man. Just galang with it, man. Meaning, just go along with it, man. And then the second example, me this need one of them. Me this need one of them. I just need one of them. Again, conjunction even. Even. In English, we say even. Jamaican, even. Even or even. And the example is, Even if you forward no. Even if you forward no. Even if you come now. Next, English though. English though. And in Jamaican we don't say though. We say do. Do. D-O-H. Do. So, somebody says, me bad my name. Me bad my name, do him cool. Me bad my name, do him cool. I hate him, though he's cool. That is do. And then we have still. Still. Still remains still. And the example is, them a go so still. Them a go so still. Meaning they are still acting like that. Them a go so still. They are still acting like that. Conjunction late. Late. In Jamaican, instead of saying late, we say make. And example is, brother, make we do it here. Brother, make we do it here. Brother, let us do it here. Brother, let us do it here. And then we go to conjunction have. Have. In Jamaican, we have quite a number of words that mean have. We have get, we have ab, we have are, and then we have have. So, example, somebody says, Abiagial we get the ball. Abiagial we get the ball. Meaning, it's only girls we have here. Another example, Minab not Natal. Minab not Natal. Meaning, I don't have anything at all. Minab not Natal. I don't have anything at all. Third example, Ladamas panwi. Lad. Ladamas panwi. Ladamas panwi. Lord have mercy on us. Lord have mercy on us. Another example, the last one under have. Where are we today? Where are we today? Meaning, what do you have for us today? Then, next, we have conjunction so. So, S-O, so. And in Jamaican, it's pronounced the same, so, though the spelling changes, S-U-H. And then, somebody says, you love wicked so. You love wicked so. Your love is so wonderful, wicked, wonderful. And then we have so far. So far. And again, it will be so far in Jamaican. Somebody asks, awapn so far? Awapn so far? What's happening so far? What's happening? Awapn. Or wapm. What's happening? Awapn so far. What's happening so far? And then we have conjunction so that. So that. And then in Jamaican it would be so say. So say or so. So the example is, we talk good, so say them watch we pan telling now. We talk good, so say them watch we pan telling now. Meaning, we talk good so that they listen to us on TV, you know. Conjunction moreover or furthermore. Moreover and, okay, moreover. We say moreover. Moreover or moreover. So something like that. So in Jamaican, example would be, she did go. Moreover, she name never depend the list. She did go. Moreover, she name never depend the list. Meaning, she went. Moreover, her name was not on the list. And then furthermore, yeah, somebody tells you something like this. Go furthermore. Furthermore is furthermore. Go furthermore. Go furthermore. Extend. And then we have however. Conjunction however. In English we have ha. However. In Jamaican we simply say however. However or however. And the example is however much them try, them we never catch we. However much them try, them we never catch we. However much they try, they will never catch us. Next example, likewise. Likewise. If you want to say likewise, say same way. Somebody tells you good night, you simply reply same way. Good night. Likewise. Again, we have conjunction to. To, we use to or same way. Somebody says me love you. Same way. I love you. I love you too. You may say me love you too or me love you same way. I love you too. Again, conjunction plus. Plus. Or and more. Or and many more. etc. etc. How do you say etc in Jamaican? Listen. Plus. Let's first start with plus. Under example, plus me afi sinting fi say. Somebody says plus me afi sinting fi say. Plus I have. Plus me have sinting fi say. Plus I have something to say. And many more or etc or etc. Somebody says him say this, that and thing. Him say this, that and thing. He said this, that and a lot more. He said this, that and many more. He said too much. And then enough more. Enough more. We get book and enough more. We get book and enough more. We have books and many more. Enough more. Conjunction nevertheless. Nevertheless. In Jamaican we say nevertheless. 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 So nevertheless is nevertheless me a forward. Nevertheless me a forward. Nevertheless I am coming. Therefore. Therefore is therefore or therefore, meaning, and the example is therefore think about it. Therefore think about it. Therefore think about it. And then we have conjunction than. Than. So in Jamaican we simply use an to mean than or than. D-A-N, than to mean than. So somebody says Ufasa anaya. Ufasanaya. Ufasanaya, meaning who is faster than me here. Another example, who is better than them. We is better than them. We are better than them. Then we have conjunction thus. Thus. And then in Jamaican we simply say thus. Thus me did a lick him. Or thus me did a lick shot him. Thus I just had to shoot him. Or thus I had to shoot him. Again, we got the very common conjunction of all times in Jamaican. The word because. It is very common conjunction in Jamaica. And there are quite a number of words that can mean because in Jamaican. One, we use bika. Bika. B-E-C-C-A. Bika. And We may use ka, C-double-A. We may use siek, siek. Or we use cow, ka. And last we use true. True. True can mean true, something to be true, not false. And true can mean true. But again, true can mean because. And listen to me. We go to bika under example. Aat bika di sonya. Aat bika di sonya. Meaning it's hot because the sun is near. We go to ka. Im bad mind me ka me rich. Im bad mind me ka me rich. He hates me because I am rich. Next, under siek. Siek to mean because. Me pray you siek a love. Me pray you siek a love. I watch you because of love. Next, or I stare at you because of love, or I ogle at you because of love. Yes, ka, cow, C-A-W to mean because. Shitit ka shi are. Shitit ka shi are. She smiles because she is happy. And then lastly, true to mean because in Jamaican. Me left him true, him did brack. Me left him true, him did brack. I left him because he was broke. Yes. Conjunction because of. Because of. Remember, I already told you that the preposition of is replaced by article a in Jamaican Patois. That's why we have words like one of them, meaning one of them. Some of them, some of them. Three of them, three of them. So, even here, instead of saying because of, we simply say bika, or ka, or sieka, or chua, or kawa. And example, me bringo bikayu. Me bringo bikayu. I'm upset because of you. Next example, everything asieka you. Everything asieka you. Meaning, everything is because of you. Lastly, imad kawaya love. Imad kawaya love. He's mad because of your love. Ladies and gentlemen, we go to conjunction as if or as though. As if or as though. And as if we simply say laka say. And the word laka in Jamaican means like. Instead of saying like say, we say laka say. And under example, we have words like Im ak laka say im rich. Im ak laka say im rich. He acts as if he is rich. He acts as if he is rich. And again, under laka say to mean as if. Im gwan laka say im wise. Im gwan laka say im wise. He behaves like he is wise, or he behaves as if he is wise. So that is as if, laka say. Again, we go to conjunction like this, like that, that way. How do you say such words in Jamaican? Yes, to mean like this, you say so. Like that, you again say so. And that way or this way you say so. How do we say? Which examples we have? Yes, a Jamaican will say, oh, you do it so. Oh, you do it so. How would you do it like that? Or why do you do it like this? Oh, you do it so. Why do you do it like this? Next example, Where them attack so? Where them attack so? Meaning, why do they talk like that? Where them attack so? Or what make them talk so? What make them chat so? Why do they talk like that? And lastly, under so, she left it so, pieja. She left it so, pieja. She left it like that. Call her page or page. In English we say page, pager. In Jamaican we say pie, pieja, pieja. Call her or page she. She left it so, page she. She left it like that. Call her. And again, another conjunction. That's how. How do you say that's how? In Jamaican, if you want to say that's how, you say aso. Aso. And under example, I saw them do it. I saw them do it. That's how they do it. I saw them do it. And then, how do you say this is how? Again, you say I saw. I saw. Under example, I saw things are gwanya. I saw things are gwanya. Meaning, that's how things happen here. That's how things are going on here. I saw things gwanya. Or, I saw things are gwanya. That's how things are happening here. And that's how things are going on here. Yes. How do you say null? Null in Jamaican. N-O-R, null. You simply say null. Example. I know me all him. I know me null him. It's not me null him. Next conjunction o. O-R, o. In Jamaican we simply say all. Somebody says, Galanga left me all else. Galanga left me. Galanga left me all else. Leave me alone or else. Yes. Bye. Bye. B-Y. Bye. In Jamaican we use since. For example, me no see him by that time. Me no see him by that time. I've not seen him since that time. Next. But. But. B-U-T. But. How do you say but in Jamaican? We say boat or bo. For instance, somebody tells you, Bono take me for jankro. Bono take me for jankro. Meaning, but don't take me for a fool. But don't take me for a nicompump. And next, otherwise. How do you say otherwise? In Jamaican, we don't say other. We say otherwise. Otherwise. And example, otherwise no bother chat. Otherwise no bother chat. Meaning, otherwise don't bother talking. Otherwise don't dare talking. Again, if not, conjunction, if not. How do you say if not? You simply say if no. If not. Forward there, if no. Forward there, if not. Come here, if not. Next, other. Other. How do you say other? In Jamaican, we say other or order. And we have an example is him disos the other day. Him disos the other day. Meaning, he dissed us the other day. The other day. He dissed us the other day. Next, or else. How do you say or else? In Jamaican we say all else. All else. If you go there, all else. If you go there, all else. You should go there or else. Or else what? I don't know. Weather. Weather. In English we say weather and in Jamaican we say weather. For instance, Me no care whether call. Me no care whether call. Me no business whether call. Meaning, I don't care whether it is cold. I don't care whether it's cold. Yes. Next, always. How do you say always? You simply say always or ever. For instance, she always want them. She always want them. Meaning, she always wants them. And then next example, them Yaad ever clean. Them Yaad ever clean. Meaning, those girls are always clean. Such. In Jamaican we say, in English we say such. In Jamaican we say so. Such. Example, na do such me love. Na do such me love. Don't do such my dear. And then conjunction then. Then in Jamaican we say then. Meaning, for instance, somebody says, so me go so then. So me go so then. Meaning, so I do like that next time. So I do like that next time. So me go so then. So I do like that next time. Next, how do you say now? Now. In Jamaican we say no. No or now. And the example is no at the real time visit. No at the real time visit. Now is the real time to see it. Although, in English we say although, and in Jamaican although will be although. Although. And example, him gone although she sick. Him gone although she sick. She has gone although she is sick. And then conjunction with. With. In Jamaican we say with or with. Meaning, for instance, example is me na deal with him, sir. Me na deal with him, sir. I don't or I won't deal with him, sir. Without, in English we say without. In Jamaican we say without. And the example is me can't manage without you. Me can't manage without you. Meaning, I can't manage without you. Unu, plural, without you. And become. How do you say become? I already told you it is turn. And the example is them are turn bad man. Them are turn bad man. They are becoming gangsters. And then next conjunction is another. How do you say another in Jamaican? We say another. Another. And the example is no fight one another. No fight one another. Don't fight one another. Remember, if we say each other, in English it means it is between two people when you say each other. But when you say one another, it is between more than two people. 4, 10, 100 people, you say one another. Between two people, you say each other. That is English. Well, another conjunction in Jamaican Patois is after. And then, instead of saying after, we say aft. Or, in Rastafari Irish, we say for to mean after. So, I'll give you an example for aft. Me are after she gone. Me are after she gone. I'm at peace after she's gone. I'm happy after she is gone. And the Rastafari says, sight you in the forenoon. Sight you in the forenoon. Meaning, see you in the afternoon. See you in the afternoon. Yes, another conjunction is unless or except. In Jamaican, we say save. save or sieb to mean unless or except, apart from. An example is, somebody says, him nano save you tell him. Him nano save you tell him. Meaning, he won't know unless you tell. He won't know unless you tell. Him nano save you tell. He won't know unless you tell. Yes. Another example is, Eita unu. Eita unu forward save John. Eita unu forward save John. Meaning, 8 of you come except John. Yes. Conjunction later. Later. How do you say later in Jamaican? We say likomo. Whereas likomo also means goodbye. Bye-bye. See you. Again, likomo means later or later. In English, it is later. In Jamaican accent, we say later, later. So, you may use likomo or later to mean later. For example, I go see them likomo. I go see them likomo. I'm going to see them later. Or the other person says, Wolan, link up later. Wolan, link up later. Hold on, we meet later. Next. In English, we say next. We pronounce the T. But in Jamaican, we simply say next. Next. And somebody will ask, who I go? Who I go task next? Who I go task next? Meaning, who is going to rap next? That style of rapping among Jamaican DJs, dancehall rapping, we don't say rapping, we say toast. Toast, to toast. Sean Paul, Beanie Man, Vibes Cartel, Bounty Killer, Adania, Kalieda, Capleton, Sizzler Kalonge, Lot and Fire, Pantan Maja. You know, dancehall. Dancehall people don't rap, they toast. Anyways, another conjunction, already. And to mean already, we say done or already. Done or already. And this is it. Example, thanks, minyam done. Thanks, minyam done. Thank you, I have already eaten. Next example, Mino you see him already. Mino you see him already. Meaning, I know you saw him already. And then finished or done. Finished or done. Something that is finished or done. We say done. In Jamaican we say done to mean finished. For instance, the example is, we love girl can done. We love girl can done. Meaning, we love girls. We can't stop. Again, the other example, we love can done. Our love can't get done, or our love can't stop. Can done, can't stop. And then the last example under done is dance afigwan are done. Dance afigwan are done. Meaning the party has to go on, or the dance has to go on. All is done, all done. All is finished. All is done. Okay. Next, again we have in English we say finished or already. Again we use done or already. For instance, a Jamaican says, the girl am done. The girl am done. The girls are already finished. Bus, the man come already. Bus, the man come already. Meaning, boss, the man has already come. Or the man came already. Through Through, I told you through will be true. T-R-U, true. And a Jamaican makes such a statement like, dash it through the window. Dash it through the window. Meaning, throw it through the window. And then we have till or until. In English we say till or until, and in Jamaican instead of till we say tell or until. So the example is miakofi im terno. Miakofi im terno, meaning I'm looking for him till now. And then we have thing. In English we say thing. In Jamaican we say ting. Ting. And Mr. Vegas says, big things are gwanya. Big things are gwanya, meaning hot stuff is happening here. Big things are happening here, or big things are going on here. Hot stuff is going on here. Big things are gwanya. Hot stuff or big things, nice things are going on here. Alright. English we say never, and in Jamaican we say never or never. And the example is me never de. Me never de, meaning I was never there. Another conjunction is about. How do you say about in Jamaican? We say boat. Boat. And the example is them a chat about me. Them a chat about me, meaning they are backbiting me, or they are talking about me. They are chatting about me. Next conjunction is please. Please. In English we say please. In Jamaican we say I beg. I beg. So somebody's pleading to you. I beg me, I beg you. I beg me, I beg you. Meaning, please, I'm begging you. I beg me, I beg you. Please, I'm begging you. Or, I'm begging you, please. I beg me, I beg you. Another conjunction, about to. How do you say about to? Here we say boat or boat fee or odd fee. And the examples are much better. We simply say, them both dead me know. Them both dead me know. Meaning, they are about to die, I know. And then the next example is, the thing both fi boss up. The thing both fi boss up. The thing both fi boss up. Meaning, the thing is about to burst up. Let's say it's a bomb. The thing both fi boss up. The thing is about to burst up. And then lastly, under about to, she both reach cloud 9. She both reach cloud 9. In English we say cloud. In Jamaican we say cloud. She both fi reach cloud 9. She's about to reach cloud 9. And cloud 9 is simply orgasm. Sexual pleasure or satisfaction at the end of the game. Conjunction, behave like that or act like that. To behave like that or to act like that, in Jamaican we simply say goso or guanso or galangso. And an example we have liko gyalem goso. Liko gyalem goso. Little girls behave like that. Next example, DJ dem guanso. DJ dem guanso, meaning artists act like that. Remember in Jamaican Patois, the word DJ, the DJs are the people who sing, are the people who toast, the Vibes Cartels, Tupac Shakur, Nicki Minaj, Spice, Maka Diamond, Eladia, you understand? Bounty Killer, Yaad, Vibes Cartel, Capleton, Sizzler. Those are DJs. Now, the people who play the music on CD or on the turntables, they are called the selectors. Selector them. Selectors. So that is the difference. That is the irony of Jamaican Patois. The DJ is somebody who sings dancehall, and or the artist who sings dancehall or reggae music. But the DJ who plays the music in Jamaican is a selector. Get it right and don't get it twisted. Selector plays the music. DJ sings on stage. The DJ mash up the stage and left no rocks and turn, you know. But the selector play the music for the people, for wine. See? The selector play the music for the people, for wine. All for the people, for dance. But the DJ run up on stage, start a toss, and the people them a go wine legs apart. People, you understand? Say, at the DJ we sing, when at the selector we play the music. That. Okay. That means that's it. That's it. Anyways, we go to give. How do you say give in Jamaican? We say G. G them. Jimmy. GR. G she. Jim. Give him. Jim. So, the example we have, somebody says, Jimmy, where you want me to them? Sin. Jimmy, where you want me to them? Sin. Give me what you want me to give them. You get it? Sin. And then another conjunction. How do you say in any case? In any case. In Jamaican, to mean in any case, we say add tack. Add tack, which is translated as all the talk. In any case, add tack. So, under example, me have to get it. Add tack. I have to get it in any case. One at a time. How do you say one at a time in Jamaican? It is 1-1. And example, bring come 1-1. Bring come 1-1, meaning bring one at a time. Again, how do you say hold on in Jamaican? This one is very common. You simply say Wallan. Wallan, make me tell you. Wallan, make me tell you. Hold on, let me tell you. How do you say hope in Jamaican? We say hope. And I get enough hope in you. And I get enough hope in you. I have so much hope in you. How do you say better? Better is better in Jamaican Patois. Better. That's why you hear statements like, me better than them. I am better than them. So, better would be better. Whereas, better also means to bother. Don't be bothered. Or don't bother, move. Don't bother, move. A Jamaican will say, no bother move. Don't bother talking, no bother talk. No bother talk. Don't bother talking. Well, better is better. Better. Me better than enough of them. Me better than enough of them. I am better than many of them. You know, this is one common, very common word that appears on almost every Jamaican statement. You know. And in Jamaican we spell it as E-N-U-H or E-N-N-U-H, and it's pronounced as you know. And under example, somebody says, me done do it, Me done do it, I have already done it, Or, if you know this, If you know this, meaning you should know this, So that is, And then how do you say? You have to. You have to. You simply say yafi. You have to yafi. Your friend tells you something like this. If you know this, me youth. If you know this, my youth. Meaning you should know this, my friend. How do you say want to go? Want to go. I want to go. You simply say wango, or want to go, or one go. And an example you say me wanga the well. Me wanga the well. I want to go to the well, at the well, to the well. Bucket go a well. Bucket goes to the well. Bucket with wall can go well. Bucket with wall can go well. Bucket with wall can go well. A bucket with a hole can't go to the well. Bucket with wall can go well. A bucket with a hole cannot go to the well. People. Another example under want to go. Me want to go dance circle. Me want to go dance circle. I want to go there and chill. I want to go there and relax. I want to go there and settle. How do you say want to come? You simply say one come. One come, or one fi come. One fi come. And under example we have Unu want come with me? Unu want come with me? You're asking, do you want to come with me? Or you want to come with me? And then another example. Want to come a Yaad? Want to come a Yaad? Do you want to come to my house? Do you want to come to my home? Or you want to come to my home? It's a question. Then we have this statement, that's how you are. That's how you are. How do you say that's how you are? You simply say, I that with you, or I saw you there. I that with you, or I saw you there. And an example, ever dirty. I that with you. Ever dirty. That's how you are. And then, course-full. I saw you there. Course-full. I saw you there. Quarrelsome. That's how you are. Yes. Second last. How do you say no matter what? In English we say no matter what. In Jamaican it is kill me dead, or no matter what. For instance, me have to go, kill me dead, meaning I have to go no matter what. Or me a come no matter what. I am coming no matter what. And then lastly, but not least, how do you say the one and only? The one and only. The one and only we say the one and only. The one and only. And the example is the one and only shabaranks. The one and only shabaranks. Who shabaranks? Who shabaranks? Shabaranks had wickedest DJ in a dancehall. Him a the father dancehall. Him a the king of dancehall. All them boy the name Beanie Man, Vibes Cartel and thing. Them boy the no king of dancehall. A Shabba way a the king of dancehall, Fred is a From the days what me I talk about? Ting-a-ling-a-ling, bedroom bully, sin, Shabba are the king of dancehall. Shabba Ranks is the king of dancehall. All these guys who come up and say they are the kings of dancehall. No way. Beanie Man, Vibes Cartel, I don't know who. Alkali, nothing like that. Shabba Ranks is the king of dancehall. Okay, we come to the end of Conjunctions in Jamaican Patois still. My name is Brein, Yaad, Ja People's Camp.